Welcome. Today, we are taking you inside a real factory to witness how a massive excavator is built from raw steel to a powerful machine.
The journey begins with raw, high-grade steel, carefully delivered and prepared for precision processing. Before shaping begins, every piece of steel is tested to ensure strength, durability, and exact specifications. Advanced CNC laser systems cut each component with microscopic precision. For thicker components, plasma and water jet cutting deliver unmatched strength and accuracy.
Every edge is refined to ensure perfect assembly and long-term durability. CNC milling ensures that every connection point meets exact tolerances.
These precision holes will later hold the massive pins that allow smooth movement. Hydraulic press brakes shape flat steel into the powerful forms of the excavator body.
Even in a highly automated factory, skilled hands ensure perfection in every critical joint.
Each weld is tested to guarantee safety, durability, and structural integrity. Shot blasting removes impurities and prepares the surface for long-lasting protection. A protective primer coat shields the steel from corrosion and environmental damage.
The signature color brings the excavator's identity to life.
Controlled heat curing ensures a flawless and durable finish. Every machine receives its unique identity and certification markings. The undercarriage forms the strong foundation that carries immense loads. Precision track assembly ensures stability across the toughest terrains. The swing bearing allows the excavator's upper body to rotate with smooth and controlled power. Hydraulic lines are carefully shaped and routed to control every movement of the machine.
The hydraulic pump acts as the heart of the excavator's immense power.
Each hydraulic cylinder is tested to withstand extreme operational pressure.
The boom and arm come together to create the excavator's powerful reach.
The bucket is reinforced to endure the harshest digging conditions. Power is transferred seamlessly through a precisely aligned drivetrain system. Advanced electronics give the excavator precise control and intelligent monitoring. Inside the cabin, comfort meets precision control for the operator. Reinforced safety glass ensures maximum visibility and operator protection. Climate control systems maintain comfort in even the harshest environments. The counterweight balances the excavator for stable and powerful operation. This is the moment the excavator truly takes its final shape. Hydraulic systems are carefully filled and calibrated to ensure smooth performance. For the first time, the excavator's systems come alive. Advanced calibration ensures accurate and responsive control.